What is going on, guys? We are out here today, and as you can see, it is, I don't know. I don't even know what you're supposed to see. But anyway, we're out here, and we're going to be hopefully doing some frog gigging today, and yeah, that's about it. I've actually done frog gigging before on this channel, and it was actually like, bro, I've been gone this long, and he don't even give you guys any respect. He's so disrespectful, I swear. I completely apologize. Anyway, and I actually did frog gigging probably a couple weeks ago on my channel, and I didn't realize that the footage was that horrible, but there wasn't really good footage, so we're going to attempt to get better footage today. I'm going to have a better recipe, and I'm also hoping the frogs are a little bit bigger, because they were a little bit smaller last time. Well, as you guys may have heard me, tell my chicken, whoa, drop you there, I've been gone for a while. Not a while, I guess. It's been probably a while, and that's because it's been storming like crazy in Kentucky. And when you have an outdoor YouTube channel, it's kind of hard to do stuff outdoors when the outdoors looks like a pond, and not the good kind that you catch fish out of. And as you can see, there's a bunch of ground clouds up here, and well, that's because it actually just got done storming, so that's why I'm not fishing in this video. But anyway, I have to fix my frog gig that I used in the last video, because I actually broke the screw in it last time from slinging it so hard. So we'll fix that now. We got to first find a stick, so let's go. It's about that long, the length of a stick. And well, I just dropped it. Jeez, man. Well, what I did was I cut down a tree, cut all the limbs off of it, and it just happened to be straight. It's actually a lot straighter than the last one, so that's good. But anyway, up here is where I'm going to put... Whoa, is it focused? There we go. And that's what... whoa! I'm going to die here sometime. But anyway, no offense. But I'm going to cut it off about right here. And I've done that in another video, so if you want to see that, links in the description, like, right down there. That's not the description, that's a shed. But right down there, still not the description, but it's below the video, guys. Like, I can't really get much more specific. And now I'm going to take this knife. It's so hard using one hand, guys. Like, do you see this? The struggle is real. Alright, guys. So I don't know how good you can see that, but I'm just going to take my big knife here. There we go. And I'm just going to kind of push it in this way. And split it in two. There we go. I got it started now. And I just cut my hand. Wow, okay. Alright, guys, I just cut my hand pretty bad. It's gushing blood. And I'm probably going to go to the ER, so see you later. Guys, I'm back. It's the next day. And, well, let's just check on the chickens. Because I kind of left the door open last night. But anyway, they're good. So, as you can see, I got a bandage. And, well, I don't know how much footage I'm going to show of yesterday yet, because I haven't really looked at it too much. And I'd say it's pretty graphic, but if you saw it, then you know I cut my hand trying to split that stick with that knife. And well, it was pretty bad. Went to the ER, got 4 stitches. And the worst part is I didn't even get to go frog hunting. So yeah, bandage in the way. There we go. But anyway, I'm out here today, and we're going to try and fix this frog one, but I'm going to show you guys the stitches. So, but anyway, yeah, let's see if we can fix this frog gig. Here we go. This is the part I was trying to split. Oh, wow. I didn't even split the stick. That's a big letdown. Well, I'm tempted to try again, but I'm not going to, because that was a dumb idea. I don't even know why I did that, to be honest with you. But anyway, let's see how much wider this needs to be. That end is actually pretty thick, so we're going to use that as the end for the handle. And this is actually a really straight stick. So I'm going to see if I can fit the gig on that side. Alright, guys, I got the end trimmed and fixed that. Put a screw in right here, and we're good. That will be perfect to frog gig with. And it's only like, I don't know, 5 right now. Oh, and guys, by the way, like I said yesterday, it won't quit storming. The ground clouds are gone. They're up in the sky now. Flashlight. What was that? Probably a squirrel. Anyway, I got gig, flashlight, bucket, and water. That's it. So Yeah, I'm gonna have to hike a mile through the woods, so I was just stopping to tell you guys it'll probably be dark next time you see me, so be ready for that. And well, let's get going. All right, guys, made it to the pond, and I actually brought a gun. Forgot to tell you guys, but I brought a gun, and I'm gonna go ahead and load that up, and we'll get to frog hunting. They're a lot harder to kill than they were last time. Here's one. Did I get him? Honestly, I think I missed, but I don't know. Got him. First frog, boys. If I can get over to him. I'm gonna take the gigging pole with me, just in case I run into his friends or something, you know, I don't know. Oh, he ain't even dead yet. I thought I got him. Did I get him? Oh, I got him, boys. I got this little sucker. See if we can get him back here now without him jumping off. In the bucket he goes. I'm using a bucket this time because last time I used a bag and they just like kept jumping out, so fix that. Ooh, there's a tick on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, right there. Just get him off there and sling him. Get off my bucket. Oh, here's one right there. Come up out of the water, ain't you, boy? I'm actually going to shoot this one. And he's still hopping around. Pretty sure he's under my foot now. There's also a good chance he's in the water. Why did I think that was going to work? Alright, I got them both. Actually, whenever I was trying to get that one, the bucket dumped over and this one fell out too, so. No, come here, frog. Well, he got away. But at least we got the first one still. There's one. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's right there under my beam. Got him. You done? Alright, let's go. Okay, guess not. But he'll keep going. Oh, there's two. I see two. I see three. Wow, they're everywhere. Well, that was an epic fail. He's right there. Got him that time. Alright, number 5. In the bucket. Almost called it a bag, but it's not a bag. It's a bucket, Derek. One thing I know to do is sling this. So I might try it, but I don't think it's going to work. Let's just hope for the best. Oh, I got him. I got him. That's a big one. Alright, guys. It's actually getting kind of late, so I do have to stop now. I did get, I think, 12. And there's a good chance we might run into some. Actually, let's see if we can get 13 right here. Of course not. But anyway, we got 12, so that should be good. I mean, it will be good. But we may run into some on the way, so if we do, then hey, we'll get them too. Because there are a few water holes I'll stop by. And, well, we'll see if we get any. If not, then I'll see you guys in the morning. And well, here they are. And if you want to know how to skin them, then check in the description, and I'll leave a link to my last video where I actually showed you how to skin them. And anyway, this is 12 frog legs, I think. Well, 12 frogs legs, so it's actually 24 legs. And well, anyway, this is just some buttermilk, and this is pre-cooking. You want to pour some buttermilk in. Alright, now I got some hot sauces, and I'm just going to pour that in enough to color the water pink. Why'd I say water? I meant the milk. Yeah, that stuff. And that won't actually make it spicy, but it will kind of give it a nice flavor. We're going to put this in the refrigerator, let it set for, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 hours. And let that marinate, get it nice and tasty and tender and stuff like that. Anyway, here we go. And if you haven't been following the channel, you should do that like right now. I'll wait on you. Like, I'll give you 5 seconds. Go ahead. It's literally that easy. You just tap. Alright, guys. Well, this is finished, so it's been sitting, I don't know, 12 hours, something like that. I'm not really for sure. And we got us a bow, we got some Old Bay season, not affiliated, and some, what is this, flour, and some cornmeal. You didn't see it. There it is. It's cornmeal. It's nothing special. Anyway, well, we're going to get to cooking, and I'll show you guys a good recipe for frog legs. Oh, and you're also going to need some garlic powder and some black pepper. Alright, so you want about a cup of flour to a cup of cornmeal. It's over here. And I'll go ahead and get that, put it in this bowl. Alright, we got that, and we're just going to mix that up with about 2 teaspoons of black pepper. You'll need some garlic powder. And about a teaspoon of garlic powder to 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Alright, set that to the side. You can mix it up right now if you want. It don't really matter. Now you're just going to want to go ahead and get rid of that, so I'll do that right now. Look at that, cleaned it up a little bit. And, well, I've already made a mess. We'll just go ahead and scrape that. Just good enough, I guess. And now you're going to want to take the frog legs and drain the buttermilk and hot sauce off of them. Just like that. Now it just looks like a pile of little pieces of chicken or something. I'm not really for sure. And if you haven't already mixed this up, go ahead and do that now. Get it nice and thoroughly mixed. And I'm just making messes. You guys didn't see that, but it just went everywhere. Got it all over my hand. Looking nice. And now you're just going to take your frog legs and one by one, well, actually not one by one, but just like a few at a time, toss them in there. Then you're just going to want to shake them around. I'm not even going to have to touch it. See? Just that easy. Okay. And now you're just going to want to take these, make sure they're nice and coated, and then just lay them out on that. And now I'm going to do that with the rest of the frog legs, and they'll be sitting right there. Alright, there we go. We got them all breaded and ready to fry. And, well, actually, if you wanted to make these extra crispy, guys, what you could do was you take your frog legs and you dip it back into your buttermilk. I don't know why I'm pointing at the counter. There's no buttermilk there. But you dip it into your buttermilk and your hot sauce, and then back into the flour, and then put it on the plate after that, and then it'd be like extra crispy when you fried it. But I'm just going to do it this way because I don't really care if it's crispy or not. And, well, this will work just fine, and let's get going. Alright, come over here to the stove, and now we've actually got to find the pot to cook this in, so I'll do that now. Found one. It's one of them copper skillets or whatever.
With Ceramatec and real infused copper.
Yeah, but I'm just going to turn it on like, I don't know, medium heat. And now while these are setting and waiting for that, I'm actually just going to take my Old Bay seasoning and just sprinkle it on top of this, just like that. Just give it a nice little coating. Because there's actually no flour in the other mixture, so just enough to salt it, and that'll be enough to season it also. Alright guys, I just realized it, but there was like a ton of glare in the last few parts of the video. I apologize for that, deeply apologize, but I fixed it, so we're good. And we're going to go ahead and test the oil, and we're going to do that by just dropping a piece of flour in. And it is boiling, so we are good. And we're just going to drop them in. Let them set. I don't know why I said set, I meant cook. Alright, and you just want to cook these until they reach 165 degrees. And a good way to tell that is whenever they start floating, but mine are kind of piled up, so it's going to be hard to tell. So just go ahead and pull one out that's probably the thickest one so that you get a good reading, and then just measure it with a meat thermometer and see if it's 165 degrees. If it is, then you're good to go. God, my hand is bright. Why is my hand so bright? Guys, it is finished and it's been sitting and cooling down. So I'm going to try me a piece of this and see what it tastes like. There's a bum. Besides that, it's really good. Yeah, it's a really good recipe if you want to try it. Thanks for watching. The view is greatly appreciated. Roll the outro. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. You can click over on the left to look at some more videos, click down at the bottom to subscribe, and also check out my social media. The view is greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time.